Christie, and welcome back to All About Food. Today I'm going to teach you how to make lasagna. If you're looking for food delivery service here in Rizal, please visit Majumbu Food Services. The link is in the description down below.
For lasagna, we need 500 grams lasagna pasta, plate, tongs, and slotted spoon. Boiling water in a frying pan, yes, in a pan. Put your pasta in boiling water and cook it for 7 minutes in high heat. Brush some cooking oil in your plate. Remove your lasagna pasta from boiling water. Brush with some cooking oil to prevent them from sticking together. Set it aside. For Beefy Marinara Sauce, we need 500 grams ground beef, 2 pouch 200 grams Filipino-style tomato sauce, 1 onion minced, 4 cloves garlic minced. We need salt, white pepper, oregano, basil leaves, Spanish paprika, and cayenne pepper. Cooking oil, frying pan, and a turner. Preheat the pan. Pour the cooking oil. Sauté onions. When you smell the aroma of onions, add the garlic. When you smell the aroma of garlic, Add the ground beef. Add the salt, oregano, basil, Spanish paprika, white pepper, and cayenne pepper, and mix it. Add the tomato sauce. Mix it and simmer for 25 minutes. Set it aside. For cheesy white sauce, 1 can 370 ml Alaska Evaporada, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 cup grated cheese. Put the Alaska Evaporada in a pan. In medium heat, add and whisk half a cup of cheese. Slowly add the flour, when you see this consistency, turn off the heat and set it aside. For lasagna, please see the description below. Put a layer of Beefy Marinara Sauce and cheesy white sauce, then lasagna pasta. Repeat the process 3 to 4 times depending on your baking dish. Last layer, top it with cheesy white sauce and grated or sliced cheese. Put it in a microwave for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the heat of your microwave. Our finished product, lasagna.
Huge shout out to my friends and family and to my subscribers who supported me. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.